Let's see how we can solve for the value of x in this nice Olympiad exam question. We're given 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equal to 19. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now, if you look at these two expressions, you find out that we can simply factor out one of the values of uh, 3x, and then we can simplify from there. So let's see how to go about that. Let's factor out one of the value of 3x, and then we'll have 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of x, and if we simplify that, this will give us 1 plus 1, and all this will be equal to 90. In the next step, we're going to consider simplifying that further. And if we simplify, we'll have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2, and that will be equal to 90. If we decide to divide here by 2 and also divide here by 2, we're going to have that expression to now give us the value of 3 to the power of x equal to 90 divided by 2 will give us 45. Good. Now, how do we simplify this? Because we can raise 45 to a power of 3 and simply get a given solution. So, the best way to do this is to find the log or take the log of both sides. We're going to take the natural log or the log of both sides. Now, let's take the log of both sides. We'll take the log of both sides. We'll have the log of x base 3 to be equal to the log of 45. So according to the law of indices, this will come over here, and then we'll have that to become x log of 3 equal to the log of 45 can be expanded further to give us 9 multiplied by 5, right? So if we simplify that, we're going to have both sides dividing by the log of 3 in order to find the value of x. That will give us the log of 3, and we'll divide here by the log of 3. Now over here, the log of 3 will simply clear the log of 3 over here, and then we'll be left with the value of x on the left hand side to be equal to, according to the law of indices, this will give us log of 9 plus the log of 5, and all this will be divided by the log of 3, and that is according to the multiplication law of indices. So in the next step, we can simplify this further, because this is going to give us x equal to log of 3 to the power of 2 will give us 9 divided by the log of 3, right? And this will be plus log of 5 divided by the log of 3, because both have one common denominator. So from that expression, we'll have our value of x to be equal to, this will be 2 log 3 divided by log of 3, and this will be plus log of 5 divided by the log of 3. Now from this expression, we are going to find out that log of 3 will simply cancel out the log of 3, and then we'll be left with the value of our x to be equal to 2 plus log of 5 divided by the log of 3. Now remember one law of logarithm, log of change of pace. If we have the log of a divided by the log of b, then this can be equal to the log of a base what? Base b. If we apply that over here, we're going to have that whole expression to now be equal to x equal to 2 plus the log of 5 base 3. And that is the solution to that expression that is given to us up there. Now, when we look at that and the solution, we're going to find out that that is the solution to that expression given to us. Now, let's check to see if our answer is right. We have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x. We leave the equal to 90. But before we do that, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now recall, we are given 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x. Now, is this solution going to give us 90 if we apply the value of our x to be this? Let's find out. So from that expression, we'll have this to become 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 plus the log of 5 base 3 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus log of 5 base 3. Will this be equal to 90? Now let's find out. Let's recall the law of indices that we have a to the power of x plus y. This can be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y, right? So that means we can separate those two exponents which have one common base, 3. And this will give us 3 to the power of 2, right? Multiplied by 3 to the power of log of 5 base 3, right? And this would be plus 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of log of 5 base 3. Now, will this be equal to 90? That's a big question. Now, let's continue. If we simplify this, we will now have this to become 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, which is what? Which is 9, multiplied by 3 to the power of log of 5 base 3 plus 9 multiplied by 3 to the power of log of 5 base 3. And this will it be equal to 90? 9 times 5, 9 is on its own. Now recall one law of indices once more, that if I have a to the power of the log of b base a, so long as this has the same base, this base will clear this base and then the solution will be b. Now if I apply it here, we're going to have this to become 9 multiplied by this common base will clear, and that will have that to be multiplied by 5 plus 9 multiplied by this common base is going to clear this, and then we'll be left with 5. Now will this be equal to 90? So what do we have? 9 times 5 is what? 45. 45 plus 45. Will this be equal to 90? Of course it will. 45 plus 45 is 90. And you see 90 is equal to what? 90. So that tells us that the value of our x equal to 2 plus log of 5 base 3 is the solution that satisfies that exponential equation we are given up there. So you see, very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.